Hello everybody, today we're doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement. I'm just gotta be quick as heck because I cannot seem to cut any recordings without getting bombarded with phone calls. Let's move forward. Alright, it could get loud, you may want to turn down your audio. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's secure these posts. Never seem to do it justice, but that's the finished product on the pins. I'm just going to take care of this displacement and then we'll bolt it up and test. Much better. Let's test her out. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Memberships available. Store now open. Refurbished units on the way. Thanks for tuning in.